Welcome to another vlog. I'm sorry, we're on the road. This vlog is starting on the road. I'm here with my little
soccer player.
My little soccer player. I'm here with Layla. We're making a quick run. I don't even know what today's vlog is about, honestly. This is just a test run because I have not vlogged in how long. If you watched the vlog before this, then you would know why I haven't been vlogging and why I took a much needed break and what's been happening. Basically, it's a life update, so go watch that vlog. Go watch that vlog. You can pause this vlog and go watch the previous vlog, Vlogmas Day 1. Yeah, that's gonna be Vlogmas Day 1. You guys can go check that out. But yeah, this vlog is starting on the road. It's starting a little bit late because, oh Lord, today was a day. So we just here driving. I don't want to talk y'all head off. This one's been missing the vlogs. She's been wanting me to vlog for the longest, and it's the holidays, so I was like, why not? So yeah, we're doing Vlogmas. I got some stuff in store. It's nothing, you know, pish posh, but I'm making it exciting. But like I said, if y'all want to know the real reason why I haven't been vlogging, because I'm not gonna say it yet, go watch the previous vlog and y'all will find out. Oh Lord, it's just been a lot.
A lot happening in the life of Natasha.
I had the camera out to get this kid because she found a book, because she's obsessed. She's a avid reader. She loves to read. Huh? Layla, the last black unicorn. Come on. The reaction this kid had for this book. Show them the book. She's a big anime fan, and the reaction she had for finding this book was priceless. When I say priceless, it was priceless.
I wish this
and
book
I
was
didn't have the camera out. I wish I did, but yeah, because I don't know, I just don't like having they change a lot. I don't like having the camera out in public. I'm still not used to that. I've been doing this for how long? Ooh, but we're at the Christmas section. Let's see. See, all the ones they have is different. Watch, look at this one. Just in the book.
Oh, these are nice.
I know, but I don't see.
So like you're going with a red.
Oh wait, I see something right
Red, white. What else? Red, white,
there. No,
and
this is the
gold.
red. I already have some of those already. I need something for the dining table. Oh, they got bouquet chairs. Those are cute. I like that.
They're cute.
Get up. Come on. I kind of found what I was looking for. Kind of. You will see that in the... I think I might show y'all me decorating or whatever, but... I don't know. Listen, you come at Target for one thing, you leave with a whole different thing. Look at this. Look at this. Poke her in the head. This girl reads everywhere, and she's been wanting that book for the longest. I'm just talking to the peeps. Talking to the peeps.
Hi, peeps.
Yeah, this is the book. What is it called? Hanako?
Hanako.
Toilet bound Hanako. What?
It's so funny. And so great.
But you know what? She's reading.
Yeah, funny.
As long as there's nothing outlandish in there, we alright. I already have my
There's none of that. I already watched all the anime episodes.
porch sign already, so I'm good.
It's
See?
just about
Me I lock me here and walk past them thing, you know, because I love Target, but Target expensive. Come on.
It's about Hanako-kun, the ghost that
Ooh,
lives
they got
in
candles.
that lives in the toilet, and his twin brother. That's
Hold on.
And did you know Hanako-kun
Chocolate
killed
black.
his twin brother?
Hold this. Hold the bottom. Hold the bottom. Come on, drop your people in sin.
Already smells delicious.
Oh, baby.
Delicious.
This smells good. It's called Cookie Exchange. Oh, scented dough and candied walnuts. Oh, this is a yas. I'm not like what I want here, shaky. I'm obsessed with candles, y'all. Me almost put my mouth tonight. And it's... Oh Lord, look on that one there. Oh. I don't see the one I got last year. It's by this brand. This is Frosted Vanilla cupcake. But the one I got last year, it was like a beignet. Yeah. That thing. By the way, I'm using my phone. I didn't use my camera because my camera is so big. I don't want people to look at me all crazy. Over here smelling. This girl is reading and she's not even helping me. The whole point. Ooh. I might get twice the same thing. I love candles. I might get toward the same thing, but I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm gonna go look on these in a sec. So we're at Publix now. That's my next stop. We left Target
6 o'clock, and it looks so good.
it is, yeah, it's just 6 o'clock, 6:27. Yeah, so we're at Publix.
Why do you bring the camera?
I know, right? And I'm not even using it. Just you hold on to it, just don't drop it. See me, I block on my phone, I'm not even using the camera. Alright, let's go in real quick. Tea. Oh, look at that honey. They have it with the... Where is it? Excuse me. Tea. Yes.
Oh, I see.
Excuse me. Tea. I don't want no coffee. I don't want no coffee. Oh, this thing is so hard to find. Oh, there it is. Excuse us. Could you grab 2, Layla? Oh, sorry. It says 2 for $7 anyway. I can never find these things. Oh, sorry, me a black one. What else? Okay, y'all, so we're home. Layla is over here. She's all freshened up and she ate. And I'm sitting here, as you can see in the previous clip, I made myself some tea. I literally went on the road just to find this. This is my all-time favorite. Like, I have other stuff, but this, especially now that, you know, cold weather and all, either this, if I don't have the actual peppermint, the peppermint itself, like pick it from outside, because everything basically shrivel up now because it's cold outside. I use this. So tea done. Drank me some water because that's what I wanted. And yeah, nothing much happened today, just us going. I didn't find some of the stuff that I wanted. I was looking at those stockings. If y'all watch the previous vlog, you'll know why I want those stockings. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to go prep for tomorrow with the kiddos, school, and I have to edit. So I might just end the vlog here. If anything happens, most likely I'll come back. But I want to go take a shower because I just drank this tea and I'm hot. Yep, you heard it. You heard it right. Yeah, so I need to go take care of him right now. So I am going to end the vlog here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Natasha. His sister just went to go get him. Yeah, don't forget to press that subscribe button. My what's it called is off, my lighting's off, but still, yeah, I'm trying to end this right now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Vlogmas day, whichever is coming, I forgot already. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you'll get to see him soon. Y'all get to see him soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.